Today I have a fun game for you to make whether you're at home or at the cottage. Now I call it the bottle ring game. A few years back I was at the fair in Toronto and I was trying to win one of those massive stuffed animals. And all I had to do was stand a beer bottle up on a little piece of wood. Easy, right? No. While leaving the fair that day, I found a red ring on the ground. So I decided to go home and recreate the game with an old dowel, some string, and an eye hook. For the platform, I used 2x4s and some old white shelving I had lying around. I wasn't sure of the exact angle, so I ended up building 3 options and using the middle option mostly because it was the biggest challenge. And then I practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced until I perfected the game. And now that I've mastered the game, I go back every year to win a huge stuffed animal for whoever I'm with. Now the trick is not to lift the bottle up. You have to push the bottle out. And don't be one of those people who goes in there and thinks you're gonna win it on the first shot, because you won't. Practice up and you'll be able to show off your skills on the dock. They laughed at me that first summer, but guess who's laughing now?